Okay, so my hazard switch has gone dead. So once you've got the unit out of the center console, disconnected, you want to flip it over and take all of these screws out. See, I've already done most of them. Just got one left, which I'll do there. And then once you do that, as you can see, well, difficult to see, but these are wiggling about. So I will do that and then take the hazard out. And I've got a spare one. Right, so I got a spare one, got one from Euros for about 40 quid. And then, yeah, swap them out. Job done. So you can definitely see, well, you can't see, but look, you can hear this is broken because this is my parking switch. You can hear it. Nice click on and off. This is my hazard. Nothing. And if that didn't confirm it, something's rattling around in there. Right, that was a little sod, but you can see those little metal strips. They sort of click in there, super tight, so it's not coming out. See, there's quite a lot of like what looks like powder on there. Okay, new Ferrari one. What have we got? Emergency light switch. Haven't opened this yet, actually. Genuine. Let's give that a little open. Ta-da. Well, that looks a bit better. Doesn't rattle when I shake it. Now then, I probably should have had a look at which way up this went in. So if the P light's there, it probably goes that way up. Yeah, because it's top to bottom in the car, isn't it? Yeah, cool. Right, so, I mean, easy peasy, isn't it? It's just going to slot in. He says, we're just going to gently wiggle it in while pinching those. Nice little clicky action. God, it's as tight going in as it was coming out. Gently wiggle. Gently wiggle. Yeah. That's tight. I think I'm going to forward. Go on. Yeah. Click. Click. Have a job. Nice and clean. I have to clean that park button now. Lovely. So obviously it's just reversal of dismantle. Hazards go. Oh, I've forgotten. Actually, let's just get them set the right way up. Yeah, hazards on top, park on the bottom. Yeah, well, it's got to line up to those four corners and the little thing, so actually you can't get it wrong. There you go. Lovely job. Slot the little retainer back over the top. Screw it up. Connectors back up. Blue goes to hazards, red goes to park, black goes to the mirrors, and that's white to white, so that's relatively obvious. Sorry, I should get those up. There. That's what I'm just talking about. Blue, red, black. And then the other half of the cigarette lighter, which for some reason that one's zip tied in there. Factory zip tie. Nice. Yeah. And then as with removal, it's just on these little 4 of those little things. Just slots into the leather. EZ. That is a lot of screws. Can't help but feel like if this was a Porsche, it would have half the number of screws and save the weight. Alright, all connected back up. As I said, red to park, blue to hazard, black to mirrors, and cigarette light's got its own little connector. And as you can see, just those little push focus. Well, it's not focusing, but you can see just those little push metal things. And then it just pops in. He says confidently. Got in one side, but not the other. There we go. Just got a little bit of wuss. Lovely job. And now, oh, a little click. Might have to give this a little clean. I'm grabbing mitts on it, pulling it in and out. Lovely job. Test it. But I'm going to have the keys handy in my pocket, just in case the alarm goes off for any unknown reason. Hazards work. Looks like the hazard switch works again. Lovely. Lovely job. Oh, and the parking switch is on. There we go. Beautiful. All done.